how to turn off focus on iPhone permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the focus mode on your iPhone permanently. If you have been frustrated with focus mode turning on by itself, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the settings app and then scroll down and tap on focus. Now here you'll find various modes that you have set up like do not disturb, driving, work and so on. Select the specific focus mode that keeps turning on by itself. So tap on it and then scroll down and you'll find the delete focus option. So just tap on it and then tap on delete focus for confirmation, and that's it. Now the focus has been turned off permanently and it won't frustrate you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.